A building has collapsed in Lucknow's Transport Nagar. Several feared trapped after the building collapsed. Policemen, fire tenders are also present at the site that collapsed. NDRF team has been rushed to the spot. Visuals that you are seeing on your screens are coming in from Lucknow in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The NDRF team has been rushed to the spot. There has been a building which has collapsed. Many people are feared to be trapped under the debris. Police personnel also are at the spot. The crane that you see has been commissioned to start removing the debris from the spot. How many people at the moment are trapped? There's no clarity on that. But officials have told India Today that few people are still feared to be trapped under the debris. This is a collapse of a site that has taken place. One building fully collapsed. Those are the visuals coming in from the state of Uttar Pradesh. My colleague Abhishek Mishra is now joining me on the story. Abhishek, in the visuals, we can very clearly see there's one building which is still standing tall. The other building has completely collapsed. We understand some people are still feared to be trapped under the debris.
Well, certainly, Aishwarya, and this is the visuals right now we are witnessing here, and this is a part of a common building. The left side of this building has completely collapsed, and that is why which has resulted into this incident. Har Milap Tower is the name of this building, and you see in the visuals there is also a truck which was parked alongside. This has also completely damaged because of the building getting on that truck. Now, what has been said officially that right now that 10 of the people have been rescued, and at the same time there is also an unconfirmed report of one death that remains to be confirmed as of now. But 10 have been rescued and are admitted at the Lok Bandhu hospitals, where currently the medication has been given. But we would show you the visuals right here how the NDRF team has intensified the rescue operation. The first target is to enter this premises so that they can rescue more and more people. They're trying to cut the gate where there is a possibility of people, any of the survivors, and that is why you see how the UP Fire Services, the NDRF along with the UP police team is there, and they're trying to, see if there are some more people trapped inside. So now what has been said, we have spoken to the people that there was heavy rain which was happening there, and because of which, this building has collapsed. But currently the rescue operation is underway, and you see how they are trying to get the people outside, and that is the primary, agenda, and that is the primary operation which is currently happening here in Transport Nagar, Lucknow, where this building has collapsed. Yes.
Right, Abhishek, if you can show us the visuals of what exactly is taking place, and, have the authorities said anything about the people who are still trapped inside? Any number?
Well, certainly we'll show you this right now. An ambulance has come. They have got a survivor. They're trying to, get that survivor out from this. And, it's been said that 10 is the number of survivors which have been rescued, and they have been admitted to the Lok Bandhu hospital where their medication is currently happening. But right now, we'll show you in the visuals how there is one more rescue which has been done, and you see here in the visual there is one one survivor has been rescued. The team is currently taking to the hospital from the ambulance, and right now the NDRF is now working hard to rescue all these people who are trapped inside. This is a commercial space, this is a commercial building, and it is expected to have workers inside this building, and that is why the first priority is to rescue as more as people, because it's more than an hour that this incident has happened, and if there are survivors, the topmost priority for the NDRF and everyone is to get them out and get them the medical relief as soon as possible. So that is why this is what is happening. As I said about the numbers, 10 is the confirmed number, 11th is just right now in front of us, which has been taken immediately, rushed to the hospital at the Lok Bandhu hospital. So yes, indeed the rescue operation is currently underway and the priority is right now to rescue others who are trapped inside. Yes.
Right, Abhishek. The priority in these kind of cases always has been to save as many people as possible. Through your visuals, Abhishek, we can very clearly see more people turning up, the NDRF team on the spot and the rescue work underway. What exactly happened, Abhishek? Any clarity on that? How did this building collapse?
Well, what we have got to know from the locals here who are standing here, they told us that it was raining actually and lot of water has come inside the building. Now, it is because of the rain, that is why this has happened. And also at the same time, there is something else because you see, we would like to show you the building. The left part of the building has collapsed. The right part is still there, but it looks like it is because of the rain or any other kind of damage which has happened and resulted in immediate collapse of this building.